This is going to be a single crochet popcorn with 4 single crochet. Don't see it very often, but every now and then you do. This is what it looks like. We're going to put 4 single crochet into the next stitch, or space according to whatever your pattern requires you to do. 4 single crochet all together into the same spot. There they are. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we're going to go back to the first one. You see how I took my hook out? Go back to the first one, go under those 2 top loops, pick up your working loop, pull it through nice and snug to close that popcorn, and then you do a closing chain to secure it. Now it's not very big at all, so it's obviously going to be used for a specific purpose if it's this small in your pattern. It's a tiny weeny little popcorn made with 4 single crochet. Let's do it again. I'll just move over a little bit. Come over here. I'll put 4 single crochet into that spot. 2, 3 and 4. Pull the hook out. Go back to the first one. There it is right there. Not the chain. There's the first single crochet under the top 2 loops. Pull the working yarn through. Give it a bit of a cinch and a closing chain to finish. Now I have 2. What they look like from the back, nothing much, but from the front, if you roll forward, you'll see that there's a little bit of texture there as they pop. Not as big as other popcorns, but much more subtle. Let me just make one more. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull out your hook, go back to the first one, get under the, see the first one is right there, you can just see it, and we need to get under those top 2 loops right there. Grab that working yarn, pull it through, give it a bit of a cinch and make a closing chain, and there it is. A single crochet popcorn made with 4 single crochet. Enjoy!